Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta Full Forum videos. In this video we will talk about ANM Full Forum. What is the meaning of ANM? ANM is a auxiliary nurse midwifery. ANM is a diploma course of healthcare, and this course student learn about take care of tools and its repairs, set up operation rooms, give medicine to patient on time, and keep track on the records. That means if you talk about any hospital or charitable trust where person take care of their clients, patients, and give medicine or do different things for related to medicine or medical term. This is task of ANM. Candidate must have 12th class education, a minimum of 50% in any recognized board to enter in ANM. Now, if we talk about job opportunities include in ANM is a staff and ICU nurse, home care and healthcare nurse, medical college, nursing homes, medical labs and self clinics, application specialist, government hospitals, NGO, old age homes. These job opportunities is related to AM, and if anyone want to work in any this industry or this specific part of medical specialties, then they must have to give the exam of ANM or complete that course. If we talk about ANM syllabus, then these are the list of ANM syllabus where candidate must have to learn about biological science, anatomy and physiology, microbiology, behavior science, fundamental of nursing, physiology, first AID and psychology, healthcare, medical surgeries and mental health, nutrition, environment hygiene. Candidate must have to learn all about these courses if he or she want to enter into ANM. If we talk about other full form of ANM, which is Advancing Native Missions, Anantala, Madagascar, Deluxe Paint Animator Animation File, Angela and Nick Mosilico, Auxiliary Nurse Midwife, Auxiliary Nursing Midwife, Auxiliary Nursing. Okay, this is already done. Next is Association of Natural Medicine. This full form you can write in your book and learn. Other full form are these. You can pause the video and note it down into your book for your GK competition exam. These are other full form of ANM. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Code Meta channel by clicking subscribe button to get more full forums video or other videos which is related to different knowledgeable question answer. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.